Everybody, this is Khashayar and welcome to part 4 of game developing with Python and Pygame. Last video we developed a little bit more and work a little bit more on our classes, especially on player class, and so far we can move our object. Then let's see what we got from last video. And we have some barriers here and we have movement. Now let's focus a little bit on another class, ball class, how we can move our object. Okay, then now we, as we did to player class, we have to write some attributes specifically for interacting to our object. Then I will call it object attributes. Okay, and object attributes, same as what we did for player class, we should have it for our ball. Then here self.x speed equal for now 3, y speed equal 3. Later on we are going to change these numbers so we can have kind of random movement. Okay. And what else we need to do? Then we have to write another method, update self, and as you know, or you might not know, I don't know, the self in class referring to object itself. And here we can write where I am. Okay, self dot rect dot y plus equal self dot x speed, y speed, and self dot rect dot x plus equal self dot x speed. As I said before, now we don't need to update it manually on our main game loop, because we already have our container and the variable, the object from our container class, which is sprite group. Then because also we add the ball to the container class, yes, then we should have updates for player class and update class, both just by updating the objects in container class. Then let's try it. If the ball is going to fall, yes, it's falling, but it's going out of the screen. One more time, it's going out of the screen. Then how we can make a bounce? Okay, that's a good question. No, how we can make a bounce? We have to come here. We create another one if statement. If where is it? If self dot rect dot left, this is going to be one way to achieve what we want. Dot left equal smaller or equal 0, or self dot right greater or equal width, then same as what we did for player class. Self dot xspeed multiply minus 1. This is just for right and left, so it's for horizontal movement. Now let's comment this out so we can just have horizontal movement and see what's going to happen. Now going to the right where I'm doing it. I wrote something. Oh yes, I forgot to write rect.rect right, not self.right. One more time. Okay, see? Oh, it's going out. It's going out. What is it now? What about this way? Okay then, multiply equal minus 1. Okay, now it's just bouncing side to side. I'll bring the window here. Okay, what else we can write here? Now let's take care of vertical. Elif self dot rect dot top greater than height, then should get back down, then self dot y speed again, y speed should actually, first of all, I need to write the collision. I'm not sure which parts. Those are the sides. Okay. Alright, let me try something here. What about now? What about now? Then okay, I just checked my paper because I forgot something here. Because I wasn't sure if I need to write it after collision or before collision. It really doesn't matter, but I just want to remember how I've been doing it before, but maybe I'm going to change the original code anyway. So if self dot rect dot bottom greater or equal height, or self dot rect dot top smaller or equal 0, then self dot y speed multiply equal minus 1. Control S. Let's see what we have here. Okay, what is wrong here? If self.rect bottom. Okay, here I made it wrong. It should be this way. And okay, now we have bounds, and we can also move the object. Nice. It's interesting. We are making a game. The next step, we need to make it write a collision, and also a little bit of more attributes on both classes. And after we will add some external image, and how to use external image on Pygame. And finally we will write some text on the screen and add some sound effects. Alright, thanks for watching, and I see you in next video.